We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to print a supply status page on a Canon color ImageClass mf743cdw. So first things first, you're going to hit your menu button right here. Then down here in the right hand corner it says output report. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to click print list. And the first one is going to be your consumable status report. Go ahead and click on that. And then hit start. Your printer should then print your supply status page. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.